What's up, traders? Keon here from Al's Options Traders, and today we're going to be talking about our trade recap from today's session. So we're going to start with IWM. So we entered a 167 put for 7/6 expiration for $1.44 premium at around 6:37 p.m. So it was around this candle right here where where it showed weakness. Saw that it tested the 167.25 support. We did trim some at this candle. Now, obviously, our puts were losing a little bit of value, but we know that it could not break this 168.09 resistance. As you can see, pushed right back down, and we trimmed our last IWM at 173, 6:56 a.m. I guess that was the perfect exit because it held this support. Well, it did drop a little bit here, but other than that, we all know that it rocketed throughout the rest of the day. So that is IWM. Also did play XY as a quick scalp, and this one was actually a fun one. Zoom out. So the UVXY15 call for 7:15 expiration, 0.95 premium with a 40% stop loss. This was alerted at 8 a.m. So I was just waiting for a candle to close above this wedge. And once it broke above, as you can see, it pushed much higher. Now again, these contracts didn't move too well. So we went from 109 from 95, so 15%, which is not too bad, right? And as you can see, it could not break that 1505 resistance. That's when we know we had to exit our contract. Now, if it broke 15.05, I would have expected to hit high of day, but it didn't. So it was another good sell. We do have some runners, just as a hedge for tomorrow's FOMC minutes. Next alert, we played a 670 put on Tesla. So this was alerted at around 10:45 p.m. So it was around this candle right here, right? Because we knew that it could not break the 691.06 resistance, push right back down. It tested that 687.15 support. I was waiting for it to break below this 687.15. I discussed this in the Discord, as it was happening. But once I found out that it could not break below, we had to get out of the puts. So we snuck 5% on those puts. QQQ. So we entered a 279 call for 7.5 expiration, and this one ran up over 500%. So this was alerted at around 6:58. So it was about this candle right here. There was a pretty big candle on the buy side, and the ad was, showing some buying strength. VIX was going lower. It held the 277.88 support. I mean, the rest was history, right? We finally broke above that 279.15 resistance, pushed higher, so we did trim some at $1.48 from 114. The rest is history. I think the greatest movement was this right here. So it broke that above that 283.54 resistance, push all the way to 286. Now again, we did paper hand this trade, but if you held all the way, it would have been around a 500% return. Well, appreciate you guys watching this video. We'll see you guys tomorrow.